30 years of glory history, deepened from the heritage, sharpened from the revolution, everlasting from the perseverance, originate from the hometown of talents. Follow the saying of million miles of fertile fame of whole world is drawing the new blueprint of the agricultural equipment manufacturer and the source of life. The origin of our civilization is breeding the endless hope. Same cultivated seasons, same dream of harvest, is dedicated to the research and development of fulfilling the whole mechanization of modern agriculture. Our products have been applied in variety agricultural fields, including farming, planting, field management, harvesting, grain treatment, and straw utilization.